In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IronFX to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your IronFX dashboard, you want to first open a new account for MT4. So click on Open New Account, and then just open a new account and select MT4 as the platform, and the rest basically is up to you. You can do whatever you want over here and then press submit. Now after you do this, you'll receive your login credentials for that account onto your email. So just go to your email, and in there you will receive everything you need, and then go to trading platforms here on the left, and you will look for MT4, which is here. There we go. You want to download it for your system. For me, it's for Windows, so I'll just download it, open it up. And when you do that, it's going to pop up the installer on your screen, and then you just have to basically press next here and wait for a few seconds for there to be a finish button down here at the bottom right. Usually this just takes like 15 to 10 seconds. And when that's done, press that finish button and we can then continue. So there we go, press finish. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up the IronFX MT4. So here, any second now, it should be opening up. There we go. And the first time you open it, it's going to start scanning a few things. Just wait this out so it comes to the end. And then when it's done, you can just click on this X button. There we go. You can click on the X button, and then here you will see this login page. Inside this login window, you have to type in your login, which you have inside your email. For me, it's just a long number. For you, it's going to be as well. And then you will see your password, which you should copy in as well. And then also your server. So for me, it's actually IronFX Real 5. So it's over here. There we go. And I'm going to save the account info, press login. And whenever you do this, over here, you've successfully connected your IronFX to MT4. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.